கோலார் தங்கவயலில் முதலாக ஆக்வா அண்டர் வாட்டர் டூனர் எக்ஸ்போ மற்றும் ஃபேமிலி ஃபன் ஃபேர் எக்ஸிபிஷன் மக்கள் பயன்பாட்டிற்கு துவங்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. இந்த அதிநவீன கண்காட்சி வளாகத்தில் அகில இந்திய அண்டர் வாட்டர் கண்காட்சியில் சுரங்க அமைப்பு கொண்ட மார்க்கத்தில் பலவித கண்ணை கவரும் நீர்மூழ்கி உயிரினங்கள் குதூகல ஆட்டம் போடும் காட்சிகள், குழந்தைகள் கொஞ்சி விளையாட பலவித ராட்டினங்கள், ரயில் பயணம், கொலம்பஸ், வாட்டர் போர்டு என ஜனரஞ்சக பொழுதுபோக்கு அம்சங்கள் இடம்பெற்றுள்ளது. அத்துடன் ஹேண்டிகிராஃப்ட் கைவினைப் பொருட்கள், உணவு வகைகள் என பலவிதமான கைவினைப் பொருட்களுடன் கண்காட்சி துவங்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. தங்கவயல் பொதுமக்கள் இதனை பயன்படுத்தி கொண்டு பலவித ஜனரஞ்சக காட்சிகள் கண்டுகளிக்க அன்புடன் அழைக்கப்படுகிறார்கள். இடம் கோலார் தங்கவயல், பாலகிருஷ்ணா லேஅவுட், அசோகநகர் அருகில். வாருங்கள், கண்டு மகிழுங்கள், கனவுக்குள் மிதக்குங்கள்.
Shall caste, backward, minority and Adivasis. We wish all the happy, prosperous New Year. Let New Year peace and prosperity in every one of you. In the All India Confederation மூலமாக கோலார் தங்க தலித் மற்றும் தலித் தலைவர் அவர்களும் ரூபகலா சசிதர் எம்ஐஜிஎஃப்களுக்கும் திரு எஸ் பங்கார்பட் எம்எல்ஏகளுக்கும் மற்றும் அனைத்து தலைவர்களுக்கும் ஆல் இண்டியா கன்ஃபெடரேஷன் மூலமாக நான் பாத்தினை தெரிவிக்கின்றேன். இந்த ஆண்டு மிக நல்லா தொடங்க வேண்டும் என்று நாங்கள் நினைக்கின்றோம். The reason we have seen lot of atrocities in Dalits, the country, especially India, where BJP party is ruling the government. Lot of atrocities. Students who are got Dalit girls being raped, molested, and in many universities our students could not be able to study and continue their higher education. Not only that, in government has been allotted for SC have been used. In the at least 25 years, I request the government not to miss the funds related to Dalits and developments. Apart from, you know well, on 16th November 22, what Mr. has commented on Sahib Ambedkar, that it was given to the MPs to speak about the Constitution. Majority of the MPs who spoke on Constitution, they told on Ambedkar hard work in bringing up this Constitution. Actually, the hidden idea of BJP is that they wanted to bring Manusmriti Constitution so the Manusmriti can be followed. But when majority MPs has spelled about Baba Sahib Dr. Ambedkar, Amit Shah could not be able to tolerate this. Amit Shah, being a honorable Home Minister, he should behave like a Home Minister. Past 2 decades back, where Amit Shah was that? What was his position? That he has to think. But he is behaved in that line, which is totally unwanted, is undemocratic. ಬಾಬಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಯಾರಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಬಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ನೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಬಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇನ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಬಂದು ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ 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 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? ಭಗವಾನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ನಮಗೆ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ, ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ನೋಸ್ how many criminal proceedings was there on Mr. Amit Shah, how many times he has gone to jail, how many times he has been sent out from the state, how many cases were there filed on other states against Amit Shah. Such a person is commenting on Baba Sahib which is unwanted, and the entire Dalits of this country's feelings have been hurted and we have been humiliated. That is the reason throughout India, the entire Dalit organizations are conducting agitations against Amit Shah. Recently, we have conducted a mass rally in Ramlila Maidan, New Delhi. There also we have attacked BJP and RSS. Even our leader Dr. Udit Raj has made a plan last year to Gero Supreme Court of India. Because of that, along with Dr. Udit Raj, many of us have been arrested, then released. That being the situation, what the Mr. Modi is doing is also a spectator like sitting in the parliament is very wrong. Modi should take the responsibility to dismiss Mr. Amit Shah from the government, or Amit Shah himself has to resign by seeing the agitations throughout the country. Else, the President of India, who is the first citizen of India, who is sitting in this chair because of Baba Sahib Ambedkar Constitution, should also think and should see that Mr. Amit Shah must be dismissed. Even Supreme Court of India has the responsibility, because it should not create a legal complications, whatever which is going in the country. So Supreme Court Chief Justice also should order the government to dismiss Amit Shah. Else the feelings and whatever Amit Shah thinking cannot be stopped. Not only Amit Shah, the hidden agenda of BJP and RSS is to bring Manusmriti Constitution. Apart from that, they wanted to scrap the reservation. That is the reason many of the public sectors and government companies have been disinvested. Because if the companies are disinvested, you cannot have reservation. That is the main agenda of the government. Modi could not be able to make one public sector in this country. Whatever the existing infrastructure we are finding throughout the country, it is because of Congress. Nehru has called public sectors as temples of modern India. It was continued. Whoever the prime ministers who have come, they have built at least minimum 2 public sectors. But Modi has not built any public sectors, and he has started disinvesting all the public sectors. He wanted to scrap the reservation. That is the agenda. And apart from that, one more request to our Honorable MLA, Srimati Rupakala Sasidhar. She is doing an excellent job in KGF. The light facility what she has made, really everybody has to appreciate. The roads, other infrastructures, the Confederation also appreciate Madam. At the same time, maybe some 8 years back, in BML, around 50 acres of land have been made as Baba Sahib Dr. Ambedkar Environmental Park, which has been declared open by the then CMD, Mr. Otta. Such a park is the biggest park even in the entire India, even in Nagpur or Delhi or any part of India, which doesn't have a park named after Ambedkar in 50 acres. Such a park, Madam should not think of giving it to KIDB to start industries. There are more than 900 acres of land which has been given to KIDB. They can start industries in such areas. Baba Sahib Dr. Ambedkar Park should not be made for any other use. It should be a park and it should be made use for public. Apart from that, even the Ambedkar Bhavan land which has been earmarked by the then CMD Mr. Natarajan has also been handed over to government. That also Madam has to speak to the in-charge ministers and see that Ambedkar Bhavan has to be constructed there. Thank you. Our beloved MLA Sri S. N. Narayan Swamy is also doing an excellent service for Bangarpet constituency. Wherever you can go, you can find good roads, you can find electricity, good other infrastructures, water facility, everything is made available for the common citizen. On this day, I also wholeheartedly congratulate S. N. Narayan Swamy on behalf of All India Confederation, and also I request him once again to see that Baba Saheb Dr. Ambedkar Environmental Park should be maintained as Ambedkar Environmental Park only. It should not be given to any other agencies. Thank you.
தீபாவளி நீ தாண்டி
ஆரம்பிக்கலாங்களா? தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம், தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம், தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம். வாங்க.